guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and please don't mind the nail. It popped off and I lost it. These are press-on nails and my thumb is gone somewhere in the house, so I'm gonna have to redo the whole set. In today's video, we are going to be diving into another Shop My Stash video. So this is a series that I do with my dear friend Anya Stamper, or Pink Sweets, here on YouTube. And yeah, so in today's video, we'll be doing a full get ready with me using makeup that is on the cheaper side, more drugstore related. And in our last video, we did our higher end makeup. So if you haven't checked that out, I will leave it up above and also down in the description box. It was great to just kind of go into my collection and like, I paid so much money for that. Why am I not using it? So that was a fun video, and in today's video we'll be using our drugstore or cheaper makeup. Now this makeup is still doing great in my collection. It has been a hot minute since I've used some of these items, but being that they are so low end and so inexpensive, I'm just really loving that they are still performing so great. So grab a snack, grab a drink, grab your bae, and if you're interested to see my look and how I created it, stay tuned and let's get ready. About Anya, her channel is makeup focused. She does really great makeup tutorials and also makeup reviews, really focused on palettes, so giving you guys a first impression or an in-depth review depending on how long she has used a product. And also on her channel she does other type of collaborations with other YouTube creators, so taking a moment and sharing some love and support to other people here on this platform, which I think is just so loving and kind. Her heart is so warming, she is so welcoming, so if you haven't gone and seen any of her videos, please go check her out. You will fall in love with her instantly. She's been my friend here just in general and just in my personal life for some time, and I really am blessed and appreciate our friendship. So thank you so much, Anya, for wanting to collab with me and for wanting to do such a ongoing series. It is such a blessing and I am honored. So please don't forget to go check out her channel. I've left it up in the link and also down in the description box. So the palette I decided to grab is the COLOURPOP and Kathleen Lights collab, and this is the Dream Street palette. When this came out, I was super stoked about it and I was really excited to get it. So I'm excited to dive back into it, and yeah, so let's zoom a little closer and put on some stuff on this face. To start the eye look, I'm going to use the MILANI eyeshadow primer, and this is a lightweight invisible finish type of primer. Apply this to the lid and blend it out with my fingers. So going in with the Dream Street COLOURPOP palette, I'll be using the dark blue shade with a Morphe M504 brush and applying this in my transition area and blending it out. And then using the same color, I'm switching to a Sigma large shader brush E60, and I'm going to apply this color onto the lid and just pack it on. So next I'm going to add a pretty bold eyeliner, and I'm using the Black Radiance Fine Line Liquid Eyeliner in black. And the next thing I want to add is some loose glitter. So I'll be using the Too Faced Glitter Glue Adhesive along with some NYX Fine Glitter, and this is in the number 3, applying that all over the lid. And to add just another layer of detail, I'm going in with the COLOURPOP liquid liner. This is from the BFF line, and this is in the shade Graceland, and adding it on top of the black liner. And then I'm gonna go back with the black liner and I'll clean the little mishaps up. But this is the general idea. And the next shade I'm gonna jump into is like a light champagne color using the Sephora Pro Small Shadow number 15 and apply that under the brow as a brow bone highlight. Okay, and for lashes today, we'll be going in with the Spooky Babe Cosmetic lashes. These are in the style Baddie. Okay, so here's a look looking at what it looks like with lashes and without, and I think these lashes really add to the look. So let's go ahead and do the rest of our face with our low-end makeup. So the first thing I'm going to use is the COLOURPOP All Star. This is the mattifying and blurring primer. And then for foundation today, we'll be using the L.A. Girl Pro Coverage HD Foundation, and I'm in the color Coffee. Oh, my hand is hurting. So much blending. And for concealer, we'll be using the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define, and this is a full coverage concealer. I'm in the shade C13. And for setting powder, we'll be using the COLOURPOP No Filter Setting Powder in the shade Medium Deep. And then taking a big fluffy brush, this is the Sephora Pro Round Powder number 60. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. And for blush today, we'll be using the e.l.f. blush, and this is in the shade Brick Red, along with a Real Techniques brush. And for highlight today, we'll be going in with the Fair Beauty Cosmetics, and they have such amazing highlighters, you guys. So the shade I'm using today is called Siren's Song, and I'll be using it along with my Sephora Pro Highlight number 98 brush. And for lips today, we'll be going in with a MILANI lipstick, and this is in the shade number 61, and it's called Matte Naked. And to add on top of the lipstick, I'm also going in with a MILANI product. Now this is a Brilliant Shine lip gloss, and this is in the shade number 11, Nude Touch. I haven't used these lip glosses in so long, so I'm really excited to dive back into them. They don't smell the greatest, to be honest. They smell kind of, yeah, I don't know what that smell is. Like maybe like a weird crayon or chalk. I don't know, but they don't smell great, but they have a good shine. Okay, so this finishes off the look. I love the glitter, and this white line on the eyeliner really accents the look. I love the simplicity of the shiny gloss and having just a nude lip, and the eyes are the focus of attention, or the center of attention. I really did enjoy this look, and I love the fact that I got to remind myself of the really good items I had in my collection that were more on the drugstore side. And yeah, I really had fun creating it. And let me know what you think of this look down below, and please don't forget to go check out Anya's video. I've linked that in the description box as well, and she is also using her lower end or drugstore related makeup items. So yeah, thanks for joining us for our Shop My Stash series, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for spending a moment with me, and if you're coming back, I really do appreciate all your love and support. So that is all I have for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.